24.
Hey, Patrick.
What?
I thought of something funnier than 24.
Let me hear it.
25.
Couldn't get in, huh? What you need is a tough hairdo. No one gets into the double S without a tough hairdo.
I disagree. I saw a guy going in there and he was bald.
I saw that guy. He wasn't bald. He had a shaved head. Shaved. That's a hairdo. Case closed. Hey, where'd he go?
I believe he said something about going to the wig store.
Ha-ha! Check and mate.
Let me guess, Tiny. A small salad?
I'll take a double triple bossy deluxe on a raft, 4x4 animal style. Extra shingles with a shimmy and a squeeze. Light axle grease, make it cry, burn it, and let it swim.
We serve food here, sir.
Sam!
People of Bikini Bottom, as the manager of...
Spongebob?
Hold the phone, folks. I'm getting an important news flash from Mr. Krabs. Go ahead, Mr. K.
Here lie Squidward's hopes and dreams. What a baby. You look at it! 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 I want all of you to look at it! My leg! My leg! My leg! My leg! My leg! My leg! My leg!
My leg.
My leg! My leg!
Oh, don't worry about it. He'll find love one day.
You think so?
Well, sure, but it'll be with someone his own size. Like this pickle. See? They like each other.
No.
Good noodle.
I'm a good noodle! I'm a good noodle!
You'll get this star back when you earn it.
No!
That's quite a fancy speedboat you got there. For a couple of squares.
What he said.
Thank you.
Well then, how about you wise up to an unfriendly competition? Right here, right now.
Yeah, what he said.
Oh, it's on.
What he said.
Do you mind?
You know, Patricia, they don't call me the sizzle-lipped squid for nothing. So, are you free this Saturday night?
I knew no good would come from city folk and their flying machines. That's it.
Okay, try to repeat after me. Brass section, go. Good. Now the wind. And the drums. Too bad that didn't kill me.